You might think that being able to identify the trend, when to enter and exit are the most important aspects to know how to capitalize in the crypto markets. While these are important, arguably the single most critical thing to know is how to properly manage your money and investments. At the end of this section, you'll be able to apply proper techniques to an extremely volatile market and demonstrate proper risk per trade strategies. So when it comes to managing your crypto investments, I'd like to highlight a few tips or mantras for you to think about as you move into these markets. Now, first is prepare to be wrong often. The crypto markets and any market will make even the most brilliant investor look foolish at some point. So understand that you're going to be wrong and figure out how you're going to deal with being wrong. Next, you always want to have a plan. You want to design some type of framework that gives you a maximum reward with a minimum amount of risk. Next, discipline over conviction. And what I mean by discipline over conviction is you might have conviction that the price of Bitcoin is going to go to 20,000 or 50,000 or even 100,000. However, if the price isn't following your conviction, then you need to have discipline and understand where you might be going wrong. And lastly, you need to be able to sell when you can and not when you have to. The crypto markets are extremely volatile. They offer a lot of opportunity for profit. They also offer a lot of opportunity for loss. So the key is to be able to sell, even if it's just a portion of your holdings, when the prices move up dramatically, so you don't have to sell when they plunge.